Augmented reality (AR) is revolutionizing various industries, and real estate is no exception. AR in real estate applies advanced visualization to represent real-world environments, such as apartments or houses. This technology allows prospective buyers to virtually visit the property in 3D, providing a more immersive experience than traditional 2D photos or videos. For instance, a potential buyer can virtually walk through a property, explore different rooms, and even visualize how their own furniture would look in the space. This approach not only enhances the buyer's experience, but also saves real estate agents and interested customers time. Swiss startup ClearSpace SA to remove space debris from orbit. This mission is the first of its kind, aiming to rendezvous with, capture, and safely bring down a large derelict object for safe atmospheric re-entry. The target is a 112 kilograms defunct rocket part, known as the Vespa Upper Stage, which was launched in 2013 and has since been lingering in space alongside millions of other bits of space debris. The ClearSpace 1 mission aims to address this issue by removing debris, reducing the risk of collision, and making space a safer place for future generations. The mission is part of ESA's space safety program and aligns with the agency's zero debris approach, which aims to significantly limit the production of debris in Earth and lunar orbits by 2030. The ground is to switch between terrestrial and non-terrestrial networks without any need for additional equipment. This innovation has the potential to greatly expand IoT adoption by providing global coverage and enabling applications in remote areas not serviced by terrestrial networks. Microsoft's Project Silica is a research project that is developing a new way to store data using quartz glass. Quartz glass, also known as silica glass, is a type of glass that is very pure and resistant to heat and chemicals. This makes it a good candidate for long-term data storage. In order to store data in silica glass, Project Silica uses a femtosecond laser to create three-dimensional patterns of holes inside the glass. The data is then encoded into these patterns. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is an upcoming wearable device from Samsung, set to be released later in 2024. This smart ring was first teased at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event in January. The Galaxy Ring is expected to have a variety of health and sleep tracking features, including heart health monitoring, sleep tracking, and a vitality score. It's also expected to be compatible with Galaxy devices. The design of the Galaxy Ring features a shiny metal exterior and will be available in three colors: black, gold, and silver. It will come in sizes 5 to 13. The ring is expected to track heart rate, movement, breathing, and provide sleep insights. It is also expected to have FDA certification for sleep apnea detection. The price prediction for the Galaxy Ring is $300 or higher. For example, in manufacturing, workers can use the HoloLens 2 to see step-by-step instructions for complex tasks overlaid on top of the real world. In healthcare, doctors can use the HoloLens 2 to consult with remote experts or to view 3D medical images. And in education, students can use the HoloLens 2 to learn about complex concepts in a more interactive way. Boston Dynamics unveiled a new era for its Atlas robot in April 2024. This latest iteration is completely electric, ditching the hydraulics of previous models. The electric Atlas is designed for real-world applications, building on decades of research and development in robotics. The electric version boasts increased strength, dexterity, and